Also, can we just take a second to look at these press-on nails? I did these just now because I wanted to have nice nails for this video. These are from Kiss, $5. So good. Look how cool. Hey everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to the last savings challenge update video for 2021. I'm so excited to finally be here. It has really been a long time coming. If you've been following me on these savings challenges, both of these right here, since the beginning of the year. I started this in January. If there's anybody that's new that's watching, welcome. But I started these challenges in January. I only did 2 this year because it's my first year doing it, and I just wanted to stick to 2 challenges. Guys, it's December. This is the last time I am, stuffing these challenges, and then in a few days or next week I will be uploading what I will be doing with the money from all the savings challenges. I'll unstuff all the money with you. I'm really excited. But let's just jump right into it. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy. Stick around and subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel and my other channel as well. Kind of bittersweet that this is the last savings challenge update, but you know what? Here we go. Again, if you guys are new, I have been doing the 100 envelope challenge, as you can see here, and the 52-week challenge. These savings challenges are all available on my website. I also have new ones coming up, hopefully this week, by the end of the week. That's my goal, is to have everything ready and listed by the end of the week, and I'm really excited to show you guys all the new ones. But for now, let's finish this off. So I have my challenges here, I have my binder here as well, and then we have the cash. Let's just organize the money and get right to it. So this should be $605. So we're just gonna make sure everything's facing the same way, and we're going to lay it all out. All right, so we have 50, 150, 200, and let me put that to the side. 200, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. Let's put this here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 400. Oh my gosh, these are all out of order. 20, 40, 60, 80, 500. Okay, 550. 560, 70, 580, 85, 90, 95, 600, and then we should have 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 605. Perfect. So this is the exact amount that we need, and yeah, let's jump into it. I usually do the 52-week challenge first, so let's get this out of the way, and then we'll jump into the envelopes. Super excited about this. I literally cannot wait to unstuff this with you guys. All of these envelopes are filled with money, and I can't wait. So 5 weeks in December, so 48, week 49, 50, 51, and week 52, all added together is $250. I just wrote this as a reminder here, so I didn't have to calculate it on my iPhone. So yeah, $250 is going into this challenge. Let's just check this off while we're here. So week 40, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. We are done. We're done. Okay, so we need $250, and I just have mine in my sinking funds binder in the back. So here we are, my 52-week challenge. I believe I did it all in 20s. I think. I'm pretty sure. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 220, 240, 250. I hope this is right, you guys. All right, so 250 again is going into the 52-week challenge. I am not going to count all of this with you guys on camera because I'm going to have the unstuffing video coming very soon, and then you guys will just see how much I have total. We're done, you guys. This is done, completely done. Now, if you followed the challenge completely to a T, this is how much money would be in your envelope, or this is how much money you would have, $1,378. Here and there, I would actually stuff a little bit more, so I have more than this in here. So again, we're gonna do that in the next video, which I'm so excited about. Okay, now the 52-week challenge. Okay, this is the exciting one, of course, and I'm sure you guys are wondering how many envelopes I will be stuffing. I already mentioned this previously that I am just going to do what I can. I'm not finishing this challenge this year, unfortunately. You know, the bigger numbers are very hard, and with the holiday, and I actually had some unexpected expenses the past few weeks, so I'm not gonna get into that because it is what it is. But today we are stuffing 64, 65, 70, 76, and 77. So we're finishing off the 60s and the 70s, and that's it. Honestly, I'm really proud of myself. I've saved so much money. Even though I am not finishing this challenge, I'm still so happy that I did it, because I wouldn't have, you know, over $5,000 if I didn't do the challenge. So again, we're stuffing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 envelopes. So let's find all of these envelopes. And again, I just keep mine in like a little basket here. And I have my little sticky note divider. These are nice and full. We'll set that aside. These are the empty ones. So again, we're doing the rest of the 60s and 70s. So we need 70, 76, what else? 77, 64, 65. Okay, I think that is everything. So again, just a few envelopes that I didn't complete. Obviously they are the bigger numbers, but guys, it's okay. It's okay if you don't complete it. It's okay if you're taking, you know, longer on the challenge. Some people are just going to continue the challenge into next year. I really wanted to see what I could complete in the year 2021, and I'm proud regardless. So here we are. Okay, I'm gonna put these aside. Let's get right into the stuffing. 65, so 50, 60, and a 5. $64, $50, $60, 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, you know what? See, this is where my denominations get kind of weird. Okay, so for this one, and I know I'm supposed to stuff $64, I'm gonna actually put in 65. It's $1 extra, but I'm gonna need the ones a little bit later. So we'll do 65 and 64. It's okay. That's why the unstuffing for all of these envelopes are going to be really fun, because I definitely stuffed some envelopes with a little bit more than I should have. Okay, then we have 77, 50, 75, 76, 77. Okay. Then we have 76, oops, 50, 75, 76. I'm just gonna move these over. I hope these numbers work out. 50, 70, and then, 70. We have 72 left. You know what? You know what? I'm just gonna put in 72. Yeah, because that's what we have. Again, I knew my denominations were going to be a little bit off because I didn't go to the bank to get exact numbers, but you know what? Stuffing more in the envelopes is better than stuffing less, okay? So let's highlight off these numbers. So we did 64, 65, 70, 76, and 77. All right, you guys, how exciting. I am Over the moon. I'm just really excited to unstuff all of these envelopes with you guys. I mean, come on, look, y'all. Do you hear that noise? That is the sound of money. I am really excited to even figure out what I'm going to do with all this money. That is everything, you guys. I'm really excited to unstuff all of this with you and show you guys what I'm doing with my money. I know some people use all of their savings challenge money for a trip or for debt, which spoiler alert, I'm definitely going to use a big chunk of my money towards my debt. So, but I am going to also like treat myself a little bit too and stuff my sinking funds. So you definitely don't want to miss the next video of the unstuffing. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy following me on the 2021 savings challenges. Again, I have new ones already made, ready to go to put on the website for you guys if you're interested. Those are a little bit more simple too, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you completed the challenge with me, I would love to know. Please let me know in the comments if you completed the challenge, if you're still doing the challenge. If I wasn't filming every single month and updating you guys on YouTube, I would probably continue this into January and into the new year. But since I do this on YouTube, I feel like I want to show you guys if I complete it. If I don't, you know, succeed or fail, it doesn't matter. I wanted to do it on this time frame, and I think I did really well. Let me know what you guys think of how I did. Still a good amount of money though. So we have that plus close to that. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe, give me a follow on my other channel as well and on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.